We did it.
How's it look? What'd we do?
Made the curtain. My bedroom.
Norna, your bedroom is...
Let's throw this out.
I
Listen to
have a question. Your window in your room is the size of a pillow. Why do you have such a big curtain?
What?
The window in your room is the size of a pillow. So why do you have such a big curtain? Hello? Can you
I'm
hear?
not going to get rid of this material until I absolutely know I have no use for it.
Oh my God.
Because it's a nice piece of material. But anyway, now let me go down and measure,
Okay.
and then I'm going to wash it.
And then we'll take pictures.
None of my scissors worked, but you see this little one? Look at it. This one worked. This one worked.
Wait, let me see. Can you bring it to the camera? Come here. Bring the scissors over here. Fine, I'll get up. Let me see. What scissors? What scissors worked? All these little guys?
That little guy worked. The big schladooks didn't work.
What?
What?
I don't even know what that means. And the finished product.
Why don't we celebrate with a piece of a cookie and ice cream? Can we celebrate with cookie and ice? Wait.